Alright, today we're going to bring an Orbi gun. We're going to check it out, see what's included in the box. But just to let you guys know, before using this, you got to make sure you set the Orbis up for 3 to 4 hours in order to use them. Alright, so let's open it up and see what you get. Alright, let's go ahead and start. So first of all, you get the actual gun, the area, the toy gun, right? And this one's very small. It fits my hand. If you guys can see that, for any kids, it's going to be perfect. Now they do give you 2 cartridges. That these are the actual batteries. This is where you actually connect it and power it up. It's very simple. I like this. This is like a real thing almost, and it's ready to go pretty much. To turn it on and off, to take it off, there's a release button here. You guys can see there's a release button here to take the cartridges off. Put it in there in place. Once you have it on, you turn it on forward. Great, very fast, very powerful. I like it. So you can take out the cartridge by pushing the button down. This is a battery, so you can charge 2 of them. They give you 2 of them. They give you plenty of Orbi balls. Now to put together, it's simple. You put in the cartridge part here. This is a slider part, right? So you slide this down, slide it down until it clicks, and pretty much that's what it does. It even gives you an arrow how to set it up, all right? Make sure you point it that way, all right? Now, once that sets up, make sure you put this safety mechanism. This is actually to alert any authority that this is not a real, that this is a toy, all right? So you just put it in there and put your Orbis, fill up your Orbis in here, and ready to shoot. So putting it simple, you unlock them here, put them in here in place, and you're ready to go. So very simple. Button, turn it on, and that's it. Cartridges, and they include the safety goggles too. So let's go ahead, the kids play with it. So let's go ahead and take a look.